What's up, gang? Welcome to the vid. If y'all clicked on this, means you want to learn how to grow your Instagram, and you've come to the right place. Now, my credentials, I'm no Kim Kardashian, I don't have 10 million followers. But what I have done is I've taken an account in 3 months and I've scaled it to pretty good growth, to the point that in the past month I've gotten around 5K followers. And I'm not just going to tell you about myself, I'm actually going to show you how to do it. But I haven't recorded in like a month. Yeah, I've just been busy. I've been reading and shit. See, like, boom, good book right here. Got all this shit planned. And I've just been doing shit. And I also have school, which has been like eating my life and soul. But the first most crucial step would be your mindset. You can't be on some fucking peasant shit. You can't be on like some low level shit. You gotta fucking know you will do it. And you gotta know to put in the work. But once you know it will work, you will be sure to put in the work. And if you put in the work and think it won't work, well then you're probably not putting in the right work. Or you probably won't be. You'll be putting in lazy work. You'll be doing the whole get rich quick shit bullshit. Like you want an event, not a process. And no, I'm not a YouTuber who's like, ooh, 0 to 10K in 10 days, because I'm not about to just spend $20 and buy 10,000 followers for a YouTube video. I'm gonna show you how to do it the real way, which takes some time. It took me 3 months, not too long. It's not like I'm working like a full-time job, you know, I'm posting a few images a day. So fucking do it. I know it'll work. You know you got something to offer. Find your niche, find what you're good at, find what you have a good eye for, or what you could talk to people about, what you know the special lingo in. That way, we'll be like, bam, this guy fucking knows what he's doing. It's not like the other pages. So, enough about me. My main point there was, you gotta fucking just get it done. You can't wait around for an event. It is a process. So put in the fucking work. Because it's like, it's impossible. If you put in the right input, it's impossible that you don't get an output of equal to proportion. So if you put in a lot of time, then the output could be time. You have more free time, it could be money, it could be engagement, just talking to people. For me, it's been money. I've also just figured out that like wealth isn't just money, you know, you need the time and you need your health for sure. Because like, you know, what's it matter if you're dead, then you're not wealthy. Health is true wealth. But I feel like I'm getting kind of sidetracked here. So let me show you what's up. So let me show you this. This is my first post. You know, ooh, it's spammy, ooh, fuck you, ooh, don't do the hashtag. If you want to fucking grow, then you have to put in you can't leave anything on the table. Put in the fucking hashtags if you want to grow. And always give credits, bro. Because like these people put work into these designs. So I did like a visual archive page. Got like 34 likes over 3 months. And I just kept doing it. And I kept fucking going. And I kept going. And I posted, at the start, I'd do like 6 to 9 a day. I just fucking kept going, bro. I kept going. Look at this. In 3 months. Now you might be like, oh, it's not 1 mil. 1 mil, maybe give me a year. Maybe 2 years. And I post stories to keep people interested. And look, this is what you gotta do. I'm gonna show you how it works first. And then I'm gonna tell you how you could recreate this. Goddamn. See? 15 weeks ago, big things coming soon. Run up my new post. I consistently posted. I didn't miss a single day of posting. Even when I was on vacation, I didn't miss a single day of posting. Look, 400 in a week. And then I get to 1,000. 3 weeks ago, 3,000. New logo, putting in the work. 5K 2 weeks ago. And now I'm at fucking 8.5K. And it's gonna keep snowballing. You know why? It's because consistency compounds. I mean, it's impossible for it to not do this well after I posted near 300 posts. Because all these posts are still getting attention. They're generating attention over time. It's residual. People keep seeing it. People tap on my page or it'll go to the explore page. See, hashtags, they're not huge, but they help. When you're at the start, that shit will compound. So you gotta put like this shit, like prompt people to interact with the post, make them maybe want to check out your page. You want to convert them to follow you ultimately, but you could get it done, bro. 3 months, just consistency. And you know what? Fuck it. I'll spill the sauce. I probably shouldn't, because it might make me look bad. But here's some sauce. This is one of the pages, and I'll show you the other. This is the fucking sauce. If you know Python, or you could get a bot or pay someone, even better. Only 380, but you'll see. This page is a funnel. I'm just redirecting people to the main page. And at the start, I haven't used this page in a while. Now I get natural organic growth. At the start, though, I would fucking spam the shit out of people, at least like 300 a day. And you have to do it in intervals so you don't get banned. I would fucking spam. And I would DM them like, hey, please check out my page, blah, blah, blah. Hey, this, that. Bro, and I swear to fucking God, I would get like up to 50 a day, which at the time was a lot for me. You saw me go from 100 to 500. Now I get like at least 300 views a day. I don't need to do that petty shit anymore. But when you're starting, you need to do that petty shit. You need to outreach. You need to get your name out there. And then, like, look, these are like my less... This is a decent post. This one performed decent. Last week was a really good week for me. But it'll fucking work, bro. Put in the time, that shit'll compound. Alright, so I just spilled the sauce. Now what are you gonna do? You don't have to start an Instagram, but start a TikTok or something. If you have that free time, you do. If you're watching this video, you got the free time. Just fucking start. You could do this. I believe in you, and there's no way you can't believe in yourself. And if I could do it, then anyone else can do it. I'm not special. I didn't do anything special. I watched some YouTube videos. I created my own method with that little bot page, and I did the stories, try to set myself apart, keep people interested. Just do that, have a unique strategy, put out content that people will like, and it'll work. And like, bro, I'm not doing this for nothing. People have paid me for promo. Like last week, all the food I bought pretty much written off by promo money and some more. And I don't mean to show off, I mean to say you could do this too. Like anyone could do it, and start now, because Instagram Reels or TikTok or YouTube Shorts, even that shit, you won't be able to capitalize on it for so long. So get in the lane before everyone's driving, and then it'll be a slow lane. Right now, this could be more of a fast lane. Get where you're going, the pace you need to go. If y'all have any questions, I would be glad to answer them. Just leave it in the comments below. If you enjoyed, please drop a like and subscribe. I'll be putting out a bunch of fucking bangers soon. I've been working on some shit. Dropping a brand soon. Shit. I ain't gonna spoil it. Fucking stay tuned, guys. If you watch this video, I love you. Thank you. Thank you for being here. Have a great day, weekend, night, or whatever you're doing, wherever you are.